To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video. This is going to be a quick video to just update you on the latest. As you guys know, we are probably going to get the Screams, the Halloween team as we did in the past two FIFAs, and you guys need to know that potentially there will be another SBC where when you will complete it, you will be able to get one of those Scream players for your club, and they will probably require higher rated cards between 83 and 84s. That's why I have also addressed in my previous videos to go and buy them. Now there's a new update about this. I'm seeing a lot of traders over on Twitter and on YouTube all over the place hyping these cards up. Make sure that if they go up a lot, sell them on Wednesday before Friday and Thursday when the potential Halloween promotion is here. Now, if they go really low when there's more supply on Thursday, when we get the rewards, you could buy them back if you want so, but be careful that if a lot of people invested, that is not going to be the best possible hold for those cards. So sometime between Wednesday or Thursday morning, that's potentially sell window for you guys that you can do with this 83s. Now, keep in mind, we should get the Bundesliga Player of the Month between Wednesday and Friday. The voting already closed. I do think it will be Friday, but that's still to see. A lot of people could potentially hype up a bit Royce. They will hype up some German players and all of that. So right now, if you hold any of these cards, maybe don't go right in, because when more supply comes on Thursday, I do think they will drop back down. It always happens. A lot of people prepare for these investments ahead of everyone. Wednesday, they should go really a bit up if we're looking at some players like Bender, Taft, any one of the Germans that could be in demand for the player of the month Bundesliga. I do think you guys could be potential to sell on Wednesday, and if they go down on Thursday, you rebuy them and hope that they will be needed in any future SBC. I'm definitely waiting for more supply. So buy day Monday is a thing which did us a lot of profit this time out. And what this is that a lot of people open the squad battle rewards and they flood the market. Now, when I wake up at around between 6 and 7 a.m. my time, Central European time, so if you're from Germany, Amsterdam, Italy, Slovenia like myself, you will get at between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. you will get really low prices because there's not much activity on the market. People are still waking up or going late to bed over on the US side, and they are packing these players and listing them on the market. So you are really potentially buying these cards for really low on Mondays. We saw it in the past week. These are more players that go between 2 to 5K of value, and you can make a lot of profit. They go 1K up in the same day. You can list them for lazy buyers. You can list them whatever you want. You can make a lot of profit, and we already made a lot of profit. So if you want to see which cards are we buying every Monday and making such good profit, the Patreon link is down below, as always, guys. The Champions League needs to be addressed for Tuesday. If SBC drops on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, I do think that the Champions League cards that are really rare right now will go a lot down in price. Now, I would be hesitant if I had anyone. I would just sold, as I told you in the previous days. I would have sold these guys. These guys were really good to like buy at a low point, sell at a higher point. They're really good to flip overall. But if you guys are looking to buy into these cards, just wait what EA is going to do. I do think they're going to provide some more supply of them on the market because the Champions League is this week. And yeah, potentially we will see something moving into that field of the market. Make sure to subscribe if you're new on this channel, because I'm going to be covering a lot on how we're making profit out of these cards, when potentially it's good to buy, because they were really profitable. If you've seen some cards went up also like 100K of value or something like that, and when they get rarer again, when they stop the supply, they go back down. So it's always risky because we don't know what EA is going to do, but it could be very rewarding. Now, a lot of you are asking me when to sell your teams, cards, whatever, not the M forms. I'm talking about the high valued gold cards. I'm talking about De Bruyne. I'm talking about some icons. I'm talking about the cards that will definitely go down in value at the end of November, because the Black Friday event is going to be here, and that always causes the market crash. This Thursday, guys, this Thursday, when more coins get into the market, but because last week we saw a lot of high price players, they went up in value. De Bruyne, Pogba, they went all overall up because people got the coins from the rewards, and when they get the coins from the rewards, they buy the players that they want. So if you want to sell these guys, if you want to get rid of them, I would get rid of them because they're really high. De Bruyne almost close to 400k. That's crazy what some players are going for. I do think Thursday is the peak where you guys can sell and then wait for traders, investors for all over the community start hyping up Black Friday, because right now nobody's hyping it up yet. Nobody's telling you to sell yet. So you hear it first again at the Obala TV channel. As last year, we got great calls. We were in front of every other investor and trader, and we made a lot of profit off of that one. So I will also try and assess the buy day and the buy time on this channel. Make sure to subscribe again, guys. I'll also help you out if you subscribe to my Patreon with who to buy at low points, high points, when to sell. But basically, if you just subscribe to my YouTube, you should be following the market trends and you should be safe with your coins. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any further questions, drop them down below. And cheers.